Hi, in this video we'll look at how to create a new post using Piazza. So in our previous videos we had looked at how to set up an account and how to add students, and in this video we'll look at how to create a new post. Piazza is very simple and straightforward, and you can see a number of different options you have here in your welcome page or welcome note, and you can always read through this and you'll get some ideas. But you see here at the top left you have the option for new post. You can go ahead and click on new post, right? And you have the option here of whether it's a note, whether it's a question, etc. Right, that you need to answer. So we could make it a question, okay? And do you want to post the entire class, individual students, etc. You have different folders you can attach that to. It says your class is currently set to use the default folders, but you can edit that if you so desire. All right, so this could be, okay, discussion number 1. All right, and you have the option of entering something here, details. We could just say, okay, what is the impact of the internet? Okay, what is the impact of the internet? And that's pretty much, we can go pretty much it for that. We can go ahead, and of course you have the option here for posting options if you want to send email notifications, and that you can click on select and that will be done. Alright, and we're gonna go ahead now, and of course you have different formatting options here if you want to emphasize certain words, or you could do different things there, so you can make it very attractive. You could even insert images and so on as well if you so desire. Alright, or links to another to a website or some online article or something. So you could also make this a reading question as well. Based on the reading, you could ask them to answer the following questions. Alright, so we're going to click on post my question to the class code we created. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on that, and once we have done that, then we can go ahead and look at the option for preview, previewing the post. Okay, alright, so wonderful. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and you'll see over here you have a new post that was created. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you in some way, and if it did, I'm gonna ask you to share, leave a comment, and you can always also subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.